Hello?
Miss Lestico, guess what time it is?
What time?
It's time for math!
Yay!
Hey, first grade, welcome to math. Miss Lestico, we're still learning about shapes.
Yes, we are. And today we're going to play a super fun game to help us practice those shapes and their attributes.
But first, we need to review. What's our target?
Well, our target is I can identify 2D shapes and their attributes. And we know by this point those attributes are how many sides and vertices a shape has.
That's right. It's a different way to describe the characteristics of the shapes. And I remember those 2D shapes are flat. They're not 3D. We're going to learn about that later. They're a flat shape.
That's right. And, well, our shapes that we've been learning about are the circle, the triangle, the square, rectangle, rhombus, pentagon, hexagon, and octagons. That's a lot of shapes, Miss Lime.
That is. And you know what I noticed, Miss Lestico? We have a bunch of shapes that have 4 sides, that's those edges, and 4 vertices, that's that point where 2 sides or edges come together. And there's a special name for shapes that have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Do you remember?
Oh, I'm listening. I heard
a couple people say it.
Quadrilateral.
That's right, because quad means 4. So a quadrilateral is a 4-sided shape.
That's right. So all of these right here, that square, rectangle, and rhombus are quadrilaterals because as we can see on our chart, they have 4 sides and 4 vertices.
Well, hang on, Miss Lestico. Then what's the difference? How are they not all just the same?
Oh, well, I know that the square is a different quadrilateral because it has equal sides. So all of those sides are the exact same distance.
That's right. Oh, and a rectangle, it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And the 2 short sides are parallel. That means they're both going the same way, and the 2 long sides. So I might have 2 long on the top and bottom and 2 short on the side, or 2 long on the side and 2 short on the top and bottom. It's a rectangle.
That's right. And then the rhombus, of course, is kind of like a diamond. And so it's going up and down. And, well, the sides are normally a little slanted.
They are. It's kind of like if I took a square and I just kind of like made it slanted or diagonal.
That's
right. The sides are most of the time the same size, but the angles where their vertices are different. So that's how I can tell it's not a square.
And a rhombus doesn't even have to be equal. It could have long sides and then longer sides on the bottom. So it doesn't have to be all the same.
Oh, all 4 sides could even be different. That is why a rhombus is different from a square and a rectangle.
That's right. Well, should we practice our shapes with a really fun game?
Ooh, I think we should. Miss Lestico, tell them what we're going to do.
Okay, if you have ever played Heads
Up?
Heads Up, that's right. So what you do in Heads Up, if you have that card that you have to put on your head, and you have to use clues in order to have the other person guess it. Now, those clues in our game are not going to be the name of the shape that you see on the card because, well, that would give away what shape they're trying to guess. You're going to have to use clues by knowing your attributes, so knowing how many sides, how many vertices, maybe even a real-life example to help your partner guess the shape that is on their card.
Okay, I'm going to go first. I'm going to pick a card and show it to you and then put it on my forehead. And Miss Lestico is going to have to describe it to see if I can figure out what it is, okay? All right, ready? Here's our first card. Oh, here's our shape. You see it? Okay, Miss Lestico, give me some hints.
Okay, Miss Lime, this shape is not a quadrilateral.
Okay, so it's not a square, it's not a rectangle, or a rhombus. Okay. Okay. Well, can you tell me more about it, Miss Lestico?
Oh, okay. Another clue, so not the name of the shape, a clue to help describe the shape. Oh, this is a shape with 6 vertices.
Oh, okay, 6 vertices. It's 2D. That means it also has 6 sides. Let's see, a triangle. Oh, that has 3. An octagon. Wait, like octopus. So that's 8. I need 6. Is it a hexagon, Miss Lestico?
That's right, Miss Lime. A hexagon
Oh
is
my
our
goodness.
six-sided 2D shape.
Perfect. Okay, it's your turn.
Okay, let's see what shape I'm gonna pick. Ooh, I'm not gonna look, but I'm gonna let you look. Okay, I have it.
Okay. Oh, I'm going to do a real life example as a clue. Miss Lestico, this shape looks like a stop sign.
It looks like a stop sign.
Mhm.
Oh, I know the stop signs. They look kind of like a hexagon, but it's not a hexagon. It has more sides than a hexagon.
Do you know how many sides it has, Miss Lestico?
Oh, Miss Lime, can you give me one more clue to help me think about that?
I can. Let's see. Ooh, this stop sign shape, it has 8 sides.
It has 8 sides. Oh, well, I remember 8 means octo, which would mean it's an octagon.
That's right. It's an octagon. And I remember that definitely looks like a stop sign.
That's right.
Ooh, okay, my turn. Here is the next shape. You got it? Okay.
Ooh, okay, Miss Lime, you could build this shape with a triangle and a square. So if you put a triangle and a square together, it would make this shape.
We did that yesterday. And when I put a triangle and a square together, it kind of looks like a house. What shape looks like a house? Can you give me one more clue, Miss Lestico?
Oh, I can. Okay, so an attribute of this shape is that it has 5 sides and 5 vertices.
Oh, I remember! The 5-sided shape with 5 vertices that looks like a house is a pentagon!
Very good
Oh,
job,
it
Miss
is.
Lime.
And sometimes you're used to seeing it like this, but it doesn't matter which way the shape goes. It's still a pentagon with 5 sides and 5 vertices.
That's right. Okay, it's my turn to pick a card. Let's see. Oh, that's what I got. Okay.
Ooh, okay, Miss
Lime.
Lestico, this shape has no edges and no vertices.
Oh, I know that one pretty easy. It's a circle. A circle has one curved line, doesn't it?
That is so correct. Good job, Miss Lestico. That's my favorite one. It's so easy to remember because 0 sides and 0 vertices remind me of the circle, which looks like a big 0.
That's right.
Okay, here we go. Ready? You see it?
I do.
Okay.
Okay, Miss Lime, this shape is a quadrilateral.
A rectangle.
Oh, okay, so that's one of the shapes that's a quadrilateral, but this one's a different quadrilateral because it has all equal sides.
Oh, okay, wait. All equal sides. It's a quadrilateral, which means 4 sides, 4 vertices, and if they're all equal, a square!
Good job, Miss
Oh,
Lime.
way to go. That was kind of tricky because when you just said quadrilateral, it could have been a few different answers. So sometimes on your clues and the attributes, they need to be more specific.
That's right. You might have to give a few clues to help your partner get to whatever card you're looking for.
Mhm. Okay, we have a couple left.
Okay, let's see what this one is. You see it? You see it, Miss Lime?
Oh, okay, I see it. It's a quadrilateral, Miss Lestico,
Okay.
but they're not all equal.
Oh. Okay, I know there's 2 quadrilaterals that have unequal amounts of sides. Is it a rectangle?
It is a rectangle!
Oh, good job.
That's right, and we knew that it had not equal sides. 2 were short and 2 were long.
That's right.
Okay, ready? Do you see it? Okay, Miss Lestico.
Okay, Miss Lime, this shape has 3 sides.
Oh, okay, it has 3 sides,
Mhm.
which means it has 3
Three
vertices. A triangle!
Good job, Miss Lime.
Oh, it is! Oh, and you know what, Miss Lestico? Just like that pentagon, a triangle can face any direction, and it's still a triangle.
That's right. It looks like a cone, kind of, when it's upside
It
down,
is.
like an ice cream cone.
It does! Okay, Miss Lestico, there's one more.
All right, let's see what it is. Oh, you got it?
Okay. Ooh, it's another quadrilateral.
Oh,
4
okay.
sides and 4 vertices. But it's kind of like at a slant.
Oh, okay. So I remember quadrilateral means it has 4 sides, 4 vertices. But if it's slanted, that would be our rhombus.
That's right!
That's the one that kind of looks like a diamond, but it can go any direction, and all the sides are slanted. Wow, that was so much fun, Miss Lang.
It was.
And you can practice at home trying to play the game with maybe your siblings
Mhm.
or your mom or your dad or your grandparents.
That's right. And then after you have fun guessing some different shapes and maybe giving some clues, what do you have to do on Seesaw?
Well, on Seesaw, you have a assignment. That is your PA.
That's right. We're going to give you a picture of the shape, and it's your job to point out the different attributes on that shape.
That's right. It's going to ask you how many sides are on that shape, how many vertices are on that shape. And it also, at the very end, there's going to be a question. So there's going to be a few clues about a different shape, and you're going to have to tell what shape it is based off of those clues.
We know you can do it. You guys are pros.
That's right. And of course, when you're all done, don't forget to hit that green check mark in the corner. Good luck.